So this is the NAND SR latch. Here we have the two inputs at high, and this latch holds when set and reset are set to 1. So here we have Q at 1 and Q naught at 0. We can write a 0 in Q by switching reset to 0 in this case, and we can go back to 1 and hold it. We can write a 1 again by connecting set to 0 and hold it by going back to 1. So we have set and reset to 1, we're holding. And now we can switch both to 0 to see the unknown state. In this case, Q and Q naught are on. We can try this 5 times. They're both on again. We can try to switch this one. They're both on. Both on.